it just for the love of it. So our only payment is that you all enjoy yourself this weekend. We would like also to thank our sponsors for this event, Shin Tokyo. We all know Shin Tokyo, the best anime store in all of South Australia.
We've got illustrious modeling and 3D printing. They have some of the best props, and you can find them over in our cosplay and creative area.
So 2023 I went to PAX in Melbourne, and I was blown away by all the indies, and I really wanted to better get involved in this. Didn't really know what to work on, but I had a strong motivation for this game that we'll get into soon. And I went home November 23, started on it, and what are we in 25 now? So under 2 years should be done. This will be a 2-year project by the end of the year.
It is a multi-layered food-themed cult-themed sci-fi RPG where you play as 2 personified food girls, takoyaki and tempura, and you fight mole people in space. But the mole people used to be food people, so maybe there's another way, and maybe that way involves food puns?
Alrighty, so can you, what is your game about, and what inspired you guys to create this?
And what inspired us to make Project Footy? Well, yeah. So basically, Tyler and I came together last year, and we're big fans of Australian rules football. And for some reason, there was never an NBA Jam style footy game. And we're like, why can't we just do that?
Rita was the middle name of my grandmother, and she was born in this town. And we did a lot of word games together. We played Scrabble together. She taught me these crossword kind of things. So it's a bit of a tribute to her and the things that we did together. So you grow up as Rita in her town, Aspendale. You learn the mechanics, and then as the game progresses, my character comes into it, and we do things together.
Good game. The Masters of Trading Cards, they're doing the Elder Dragon Summit Command Fest all weekend.
We've got Sugoi, who are landmarking our screening room and are our Chroming of Australian distributor for anime.
Tabletop Warfare, the best people for Warhammer and other miniature games.
VR Distribution, the #1 Australian distributor for all card games and all tabletop.
When we first came up with the idea back in 2020, all we essentially did was just combine what my favorite things to draw at the time were, which was personifying inanimate objects, food, and space. With our favorite childhood games, which I mentioned earlier, Destiny, Super Mario Galaxy, and a few other classic Nintendo RPGs. And that was essentially what the idea was, combining food with space.
No, we're massive fans of pixel art. I mean, there's a charm to it. It's relatively easy to do. Yeah, we want the game to be fun and approachable. It's really leaning into that